Okay, so I want to try to make this voiceover as quickly as I can, but it was just a whole bunch of stuff that was going wrong in this video. Like, I had ended up burning the garlic, and I had to take everything out the pot and put it back, but y'all don't see that because I cut it out. And then, like, the thing for the milk, what was that? What did I put in there? Y'all ain't there yet, because, yeah, y'all ain't there yet. But the heavy cream, the thing popped, and I had to cut it open with a knife. But I fixed that, of course, because I'm a problem solver. And then y'all didn't see, but at the end, like after I was done recording and stuff, I ended up putting some salt in there because I never put any salt in there when I was seasoning it. So I ended up putting salt in there at the end because it was just missing and it needed it. Oh, so that didn't take too long. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video and have a blessed day. Amen.